Hi, my name is Pratik and this is ShipSafe. 6 AI agents watching your operation in real time. There's an active Hormuz crisis on screen, as you can see. Vessels have been diverting. Look at the crisis timeline. Routing algorithm MR intercepted block. A developer just changed the algorithm routing these vessels. Let me show you what RouteForge found. Here's the MR. 12% throughput gain, CI is green. But in the diff, the entire Hormuz avoidance block is gone. The conditional that keeps vessels out of a blockaded state. No test covers it. CI has no idea what that code was for. Green doesn't mean safe. The moment that MR opened, GitLab fired a webhook. RouteForge ran the changed algorithm against 11 crisis scenarios and sent everything to Gemini. Verdict: block 95% confidence. Before any reviewer opened the thread. Gemini's reasoning, it understood what the removed code was. As you can see, the chain of thought is already present there. Ran it against active blockade conditions, named the consequence. These thinking tokens are the actual extended reasoning behind the verdict. Then a second Gemini instance ran the critique, tries to overturn it, catches false positives, it challenged here and held. Two independent AI passes before a human sees anything. Then comes the following scenario and the pipeline logs. 9 steps. Diff fetched from GitLab, critics scans for prompt injection. A diff is untrusted input. Scenarios ran. Our GitLab MCP server does semantic code search, so Gemini sees full context, not just changed lines. Risk gate, adversarial critic, and comment drafted. Two things posted automatically on block. Scope label, as well as here you can see the scope label visible in the MR list before anyone opens it, and this inline thread pinned to the exact line where the avoidance logic was removed, right here in the code where the problem is. The verdict summary and MR approval are still waiting. The machine recommends you decide. And as soon as we click, the verdict is posted here. MR approved 3 GitLab channels, webhook, MCP REST, all coordinated, none of it without a human. The developer can ask directly, why was this blockade? Just if you want to search from all the MRs or a particular one. What scenarios fail? What do I fix? Gemini answers in context. It has the diff, the scenario result, the reasoning, not a docs page, a conversation about this specific change. And then the scenario list. 11 scenarios across shipping, fraud, insurance claims. Describe a new one. And in new one in plain English, Gemini generates the fixture any team with a high stake algorithm in GitLab. The domain changes, the problem doesn't. Then your most important algorithm just changed. RouteForge tested it against the date that actually matters. Thank you.